This is our view from our steps of our camper. We've got our nice little site here. We're going out today it's going to be in the 80s. It's going to be in the 80s here in the Great Smoky Mountains. We've got Miss Blueberry kind of stripped for maximum airflow. Got the windows out. They don't have the top down, but we're gonna head some way today. I don't really know exactly where we're going. Do you know exactly where we're going?
We are out for an adventure, and we will figure it out as we go.
All right. You know, if you get tired of the hustle and bustle of town, Pigeon Forge and all that jazz, right down the road you have this Oasis.
Yep.
We don't know what we're getting into today. We just stopped by at this little roadside pavilion here. Waterfall, beer garden. So when we come in right there, you walk down this walkway beside the creek. This is the other side of the fence where you parked outside. Look, Cascades Lodge Creek, 1959. So that's the lodge just down at the end of the property here. You see that from the road. You can stand all along here and you can drink your drink on the edge here. Got pina colada.
Yeah, give it a try in a loner koozie.
Yeah, they have loner koozies. What an awesome idea. And the food truck girl, if you can hear me, I don't know if that water's too loud, she's actually going to walk our food down here to us. All I have today is my phone, so I'm trying to hold it steady.
Can you sit in the shade or you want to sit in the sun?
There's the walkway we just came in, the covered walk. Comes down the steps. There's cornhole and hammocks and picnic tables. They got a pavilion over there. You see those folks over there, they are mining. They get the little buckets of gemstones and the kids can do the mining. Games down here, nice lighting. And you can even get in the river here. Okay, so right here, I just saw where these ropes are. They don't want you going in right here. I guess it's too close to the waterfalls and it's dangerous. But just right up there where that buoy is, that's where you can go into the water. This is where we're gonna eat our barbecue.
Yeah, this is really kind of cool.
Yeah. Here we are.
Waiting on our barbecue.
Yeah. We got some sort of beer. I don't know what. It's supposed to be dark.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a lager or something like that.
That's good.
I know, mine, you have to try mine. Mine's like, I don't know how to describe it.
So here's our food truck food. Megan got the 2 meats, the brisket and pork barbecue, right?
Yep.
And fries. I got the mac and cheese with brisket on top. And slaw. That looks delicious. This should clog an artery up pretty quick. So this is a really neat find, guys. If you're coming off a parkway, you turn onto Wares Valley Road. And what's about 2 miles maybe?
Maybe 2 miles, not very far. You'll go through a little bit of busyness. There's like a cooking school on the left, and right around the corner from that, you'll find this. It's a hidden gem. It's awesome.
Yeah, it's really neat. But it's free. You can come down here and hang out, or you can get you a drink. They have alcohol, non-alcohol, sodas, all kind of stuff.
And the Buddy's barbecue was awesome. It was super, and they were so nice. They brought it down here to us. So we didn't have to stand up there and wait. You could come down here by the water.
Can you tell I'm really trying not to say yep?
He's trying, folks. He's trying.
But the barbecue was very good, very good.
Yes, and it's kind of nice. If you have kids, there's little games and things that they can do. There's a cool little fire pit. I think you said they close at what, 8?
They close at 8 o'clock right now.
Right, but
they just started in March. I guess the previous owners had it for 10 years.
I think so.
And then her daughter bought it, and the mom was up there, and she's helping her run it. So you can see the walkway up there behind us to come down on. We got a little snake out here on a rock. I'm hoping he comes closer so I can show him to you.
He's sunbathing.
He's sunbathing out there.
Minding his own business, which is good for me.
You know, I'll disturb him if he gets close enough. I'll snatch him up. Maybe I can get a snake bite tattoo. All right, well, we're going to look around this place a little bit more. And if you're in Tennessee in the Pigeon Forge area, it's definitely worth coming down to.
Yeah, super nice people. Come check it out.
I don't know if that shows him or not. He's right there. I don't know if you can see him kind of curled up right there on that rock. Just wait for him to come a little closer. We'll get a hold of him if he does. You know, if you get tired of the hustle and bustle of town, Pigeon Forge and all that jazz, right down the road you have this Oasis.
Yep.
We were just talking about how many cool things there is to do off of the beaten path. You don't always have to stay right in town where all the business is. You come out here, and look, there's hardly anybody here. And this is a Saturday. I mean, this is prime season for this area. The town has exploded. But you come a couple miles off of that, and you got this.
And even in the heat, like down here in the shade and the breeze coming out the water, it's so comfortable.
Yeah.
Just sit and listen to the water. I could sit here all day.
But if you're in the area, you've definitely got to come down here and check them out. Okay, that guy right there, that's on a piece of fishing line, monofilament line. Anybody know what that is? The line it's on goes out there to that tree. Is it like, does it get activated when the wind blows and it climbs back and forth? kind of different. It looks homemade. How cool is that? There's our snake. He's coming over to see us. Where is he? Oh, there he is. He's probably fishing for them little fish. There he's easing up on that rock to get some sun. He's a pretty one. He's kind of long, isn't he? That might be a different one than was over there. He's just going to hang out right there for now. He's getting close. Here's the bank, and if I can just get him to come over here. That water's too deep. I don't have my shoes on for that. He comes over here. I'm going to snatch him up, get a close look at him. Over here is their mining sleuth. And this is where you can go down into the water. Got a little rope for you to hold on to. You think you got gold in that bucket? Fool's gold. That's all right. Certain times of the year you wouldn't be able to stand down here because the creek would be up. This old building. So that's where we came in, all the way down there and walked up this way. It's a really neat little area. Well, that's our find. We were going to Townsend the other day and drove by this place. It wasn't open that day, but motorcycles. We thought, what a cool place, yeah, squirrel, to stop by and check out. We're glad we did.
Oh my gosh, we will definitely be back. I want to come back in the evening. They have the fire pits.
They have the wood, fire starters. You just go down there and start a fire.
Yep. So we're going to come hang out by the fire one evening.
Yeah.
If we do, we'll let you know.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Something cool off the main, I guess what you would call the industrialized, commercialized area. Touristy area.
Yep.
This is just a locally owned, fun little place.
And it'd be really good to support them because they're trying to kind of see what they can do and if they can offer anything else or more or what they should do different. So they're really, really sweet and a good place to kind of support your local business.
So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Till next video, peace out.